Hello everyone. So we are going to discuss about this plant today. It is Liparis plantaginea orchid. It is an terrestrial orchid that produces this type of unique shaped flowers that are neon green. Hope you are uh, getting the color. It is very neon color. Even though if it is green, it doesn't camouflage with the foliar, because when in the daytime, if you see, the flowers are very striking and it is very shiny. You can see in flash it is not coming, but it is really a very nice plant, very unique flower. And the flower, I don't know to you, or it does look like a tick. The shape of the flower is like an insect, but the color is very different, very unique color. It is not focusing well. So currently I am growing this in sand and cocopeat media. You can see the pseudo bulbs are like this. It is a terrestrial orchid, as I said earlier. So new bulbs are coming. These are new growths. These are the storage bulbs. Last year these were like this. So now it has loosened the leaves. These are bulbs now. Same thing everywhere. So new growths are coming as it is growing season, and this blooms in this month only, which is July month. It is blooming, and blooms are not very doesn't stays very long, but frequent you will see spikes are coming throughout the summer, I would say. In May, at May it produces this type of new growths. Then from that new growth he will get this bloom. After this fells, dries out, another spike may come, or new growth. If it again grow new growth, then from that new growth the new spike will come. So flower stays like 1 to 2 weeks in a spike. So if this single spike, it started from here, it is not the flower though, from here it started flowering. You can see this is an old flower. So like this it dries, this will dry, these are yet to open. So like that the process is like this. So these will die, and so overall this spike will stay for around 1 month, or maybe 20 days it will stay for sure. So this is a new spike. Here you can see these are the new buds yet to open, and here these opened maybe 2-3 days ago. So these will stay maybe 1 week, then these will fail, and these will grow like this, and it will stay for another 1 or 2 weeks. So overall process is, I would say, 1 month a spike will be in bloom. So it is quite nice, as the flower looks very elegant, though it looks very fragile, but it is not as fragile as it looks. It's a very sturdy flower. You can see it is very sturdy. It is not like very fragile as it looks. The color is very, so overall it's very easy to grow plant. I'm getting I'm not getting any problem with this. Fertilization, you can add some granules, or you can foliar feed. I foliar feed only. Doesn't like too much water, doesn't like dry media too, so it is quite moist but not soggy. Other medias, my friend is growing the same thing in garden soil. So I tried with garden soil, but the plant died. So this is the media I use for mostly many of my orchids and other plants. This is very safe media. Coco peat and sand mixture is very safe. So it is almost sterile. No problem with this. And other media, people, you can see here new growths, new root growths. Sorry, new growths, new root growths. You can see are emerging nicely. It is growing without any problem in this media. Some people have mounted them also, which I have heard. They were successfully growing this in mounted condition, but I am not going to try that, because as I know, as of my knowledge, this is a terrestrial orchid only. So terrestrial means they grow in the soil with leaf mold and all. Yes, you can try this with leaf mold also. So leaf mold is very nice media to grow terrestrial orchid as well as other plants also, but I don't have access to leaf mold. So this is a media that I mostly use. Light, this plant loves bright sunlight, morning light, and doesn't like too much shade, but doesn't like very harsh sun also. You can see the leaves were damaged by harsh sun only. You can see dead flowers like this. Like this it dries. Drying process is also around in 1 week, because it takes time to dry also. Isn't it strange? You can see, does it match the fresh flowers? It is totally different. It shrinks like tiny, It's a quite interesting plant to grow. Currently in 2.5-inch pots, which is enough, I think, to at least for this year. Next year I will repot them. This will be enough for next year also, if the media doesn't decompose too much. You can see the roots. It is this type of root is not suitable for mounting, as I know. You can see. Okay then, nice. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you know anything extra about this plant, you can share your knowledge so that other people can also get benefited. You can comment below. Please like my video, share, subscribe my channel, also press the notification bell. This is not my full time. I am not doing this just to show the plants I am growing, just to share knowledge. That is for what I have introduced my channel to you people. Hope you like this. Thank you everyone.